In this video I will be showing you how to create long 3D shadow text effect in Canva. Therefore, let's go to the screen of my phone. You come to this very particular area, then you click on the YouTube thumbnail. This is it, then. You click on the blank page where you are having plus sign. This is the blank page of YouTube thumbnail. Then from here, to actualize the long 3D shadow text effect in Canva, you come to the bottom editor panel here. Then click on Apps. Then you search for type extrude. Then I search for it. This is it, then I click on it. This is it. Then in the main text box, enter your preferred text there. I want Aisman there. That is the brand name I chose. Okay. I'm okay with it. Then the font, I want to change it from Pattaya to Anton. I click on it. Then on the search bar I type in Anton. This is it. Regular okay, I click on it. Then this is it, Aisman. Now to actualize this very particular long 3D shadow text effect, this is what you're going to do. You come to where we are having the colors here. Let me change the color to navy blue. This is it, I want this color. Okay. Then I'm okay with it. Then the next thing, I will change the color of the shadow. Let me fix it for sky blue. Okay. This is it, I love it for sky blue. Then the next thing I'm going to do, I will need to come to the up here. You can see where we have the length. Then if I want to adjust, you can see, that is the effect of this very particular feature. Now, if I should increase it, look at it, but I want it this way. Another thing I want to lay my hands on is the angle. Am I okay with the angle? Look at it. It depends on the way we want it. I want it this way. If I want it this way, or I want it this way, it depends. Okay, I prefer this. I want it this way then. Another thing I will need to lay my hands on is the border. If I want to increase the border, I can adjust the border a little bit. This is it, then. Let me reduce the border. Okay, I'm okay with it this way. Then the line height, I'm okay with it, also that way. Then the next thing you are going to do, you click on Add to Design. If we are okay with it, then this is it. Look at it, this is our design. You can see the long 3D shadow text effect. This is how to achieve our long 3D shadow text effect in Canva. If I found this video very useful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give it a thumbs up, comment on the comment section. Share the video with your family and friends. Thanks for watching.